Are you going across to Ireland? Will you take me in your car? And I'm sure you'll find my conversation sound. I can pay my way entirely and enjoy your company. Leave me off at any Tipperary town. Leave me on the road to Nina, hear the rippling Shannon call, where the Ara Mountains join the silver mines. I'd be happy to in care, where the Galtee shadows fall. I'm at home in any Tipperary town. I relive again the memories of times I used to know, when I let the wandering thoughts invade my mind. There's that little town of Emby I left so long ago, and I rue the day I left them all behind. Leave me on the road to Nina, hear the rippling Shannon call, where the Ara Mountains join the silver mines. I'd be happy to in care, where the Galtee shadows fall. I'm at home in any Tipperary town. Now there's Cashel, Tip and Laura, Old Boris and Clogheen. You can't leave me where I've never been before. There's Roscrea, Dundrum and Carrie, Thurles and Clonmel, and my birthplace by the town of Templemore. Leave me on the road to Nina, hear the rippling Shannon call, where the Ara Mountains join the silver mines. I'd be happy to in care, where the Galtee shadows fall. I'm at home in any Tipperary town. I'm at home in any Tipperary